Today we are going to be fixing my fog lights. A couple videos ago we did the what was it? The bulb change, but now I don't know what happened. They don't turn on. When I put the fuse in it, it always stays on, so it'll kill my battery, so I have to take the fuse out. But yeah, we're gonna fix two connections I got from the junkyard. Snagged these. I don't know where I snagged them from, but from what car, but they look pretty good. I'm gonna replace these two and probably fix the relay connections because I think something got swapped or something like that. So yeah, so I gotta figure something out with those. When I put the fuse in it, it stays on. The switch doesn't even work. I don't know what happened. But the main part, these eBay connections suck so bad. I had to use those, but it sucks taking them off. So I'm gonna replace them. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on the car. There's no power going through it because the fuse is off, but I do not want to take everything apart. So black is gonna go to ground, red positive. So I'm gonna cut this crimp off. From AutoZone, use the gift card to get this. So make sure you go, this is power. I don't have a red, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Oh, dang it. Yeah, that should be good. Be like this. Let's see if this one works. I think this will work. Oh yeah, it does. Ground. This one's ground too. Don't forget the shrink tubing. First one's done. Definitely stronger connections. The thing that's gonna suck is I do not want to take these off, so I have to do it down here. Okay, just to make sure this works, I'm gonna put the fuse back in there and it should just turn back on. Let's go. Works. Did the wiring correctly. So after I fix both of the wiring connections, I need to fix the wiring relay because I think something's wrong with it because it only turns on with the fuse on. As you can see right here, this is the part that was giving me issues. I don't know why this has longer than that, but it'll pop off and I have to push it back in. Super annoying, but now we gonna fix it with this. Okay, so I just did this one off camera because of it's like the wires are too short, so I couldn't do it on this side. I had to do it in here, and it's super uncomfortable. But clip's looking nice. Zip tied, put away. The wiring is kind of whack, but I do plan on tucking the wire when I'm ready. As far as right now, I'm not ready, but let's see if it works. Put it on the tripod. Alright, boom. Finally, they both turn on. I'm gonna move the wires and hopefully they don't mess around. Seems pretty solid to me, though. That's what's up. Now I just gotta figure out the wiring issue with the relay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the middle of the video on how I messed up the wiring. You know how when I popped this out and the connection was loose, it wasn't connected? I thought I pulled it out, but I didn't pull out there was no power going to the fog lights. So I thought something went wrong here, so I disconnected one and added the other one because I had two hot lines and it didn't work. So that's why I had all the wiring harness all messed up because I was gonna wire a horn, but I don't like this, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna try to, it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna try to wire to these ones. I tried before, I don't know what happened, didn't work. But yeah, that's the reason why it was all messed up, because that connection came loose, did not work. Then I accidentally disconnected one of them and put the other one in so I could see if I was even getting power. And that's why I was getting power only on, but it would not shut off because I switched the wires. This is a 12 volt switched, and that one was constant power. So that's why. Now I'll go back to the video. Okay, so this is the switch. Pulled it out. I don't know what happened here. So when I put it out, I don't think I pulled this out. I think this was just already got loose over time. Because when I put it out, I got stuck on this, not on that. So it was connected to this wire. This was the power from the car. So whenever I turn on the car, it would only work with this. So I'm gonna unbolt that. Probably solder a little wire to it and redo this one. Okay, so this one's power, it's kind of short, so I had to extend it a bit just in case if anything was to happen. I'm gonna put some heat shrink tubing on it. Then I'll probably add this one, the smallest one I have, to the one from the connection. Okay, so now that one's connected. Still doesn't turn on because I need to figure out some other wiring issues. Okay, so the switch is right there. That one, I have it connected with my cruise control switch. I found out which ones doesn't have that gives out power. So that's the top one that gives out power. So this one doesn't turn on no more. So that's connected to the top of the switch. Bottom one goes all the way. It's kind of confusing because I only had one color wire when I was wiring this. So the bottom of the switch goes to 86 bottom. Okay, so this is the switch connection. This right here goes to the fog lights up in the front of the car. So this is power to fog lights. 87. Okay, so this black one right here is ground. 85. Right there is ground. And 30 is a 15 amp fuse to the battery. I don't know why I had this one connected. Messed me up. I thought that was a connection, but I had to do everything all over again. So now I'm gonna show you the way I have it wired up. Is there needs to be power to the car, so that's on. I don't know if you can see, but you can see it turn on. Yeah. So there needs to be power to the car, so if I leave it on, it won't kill my battery. Oh shoot. But yeah, now fog lights are hooked up, wired properly. So now we are good to go. Just need to clean. I made a mess cutting all these wires, but good to know my fog lights finally work again. With the switch, I just need to put it all back together. Not too hard, just pop these out. But yeah, it's gonna be sick to finally have my fog lights working again, and working all the time. Because when I hit a bump or something like that, turn off, and I don't want to get a fix-it tickets. Whoa. Yeah, but like and subscribe. Hopefully more videos coming soon. And yeah, sneak peek.